Yes. Loss of exponents. Please, all of you mute your mic. There are many laws of exponents, children. Suppose, let me take one example. A power m multiplied with a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. How you are writing this means, let me, children, are you there in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes, ma'am.
right, right,
Yes, ma'am.
right. See, suppose this is a power m, dot means multiplication, children. Nothing is not there, just I'm keeping dot means it's nothing but multiplication. So that means a power m means what, children? What we know a power m means? Suppose, let me take one example.
Excuse me, ma'am.
A power m, suppose I'm taking here 2 power 5. So what is 2 power 5 value, children? 2, that
Ma'am, 2 you multiply 5 times.
very good. 2 multiplied with 5 times. Suppose I'm taking another one, same base power in with.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, then you write A.
Is multiplied with
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Just a minute, Raghav. Let me complete this part so that you can ask your doubt. Yeah. So these two parts I suppose to want to multiply. That means a power m multiplied with a power n. I'm taking one example to explain the part. I need to multiply these exponents. 2 power 5 multiplied with 2 cube. So how we know that 2 5 times? 2 5 times. Then same way you supposed to multiply it with 2 3 times. That means total 2 how many times you are getting, ma? Total 2 base
2 power 8.
8, ma'am. 2 power 8.
power 8. That means 2 power 8 how you are getting. So here whatever the exponents you are having, that exponents you are adding. Simply you are adding the exponents. When you are doing the bases are same, if you want to multiply those two things, you just adding the bases. Multiplication we are adding the bases, in division you are subtracting the bases. That is the major difference, children, so that we are getting a power.
Good evening, teacher.
A power.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how should we find that AM is equals to 2 power 5?
Kunal, sit
A
properly,
power.
concentrate properly, sit properly. You can see there are
How we can, ma'am, they will, in the question only it will be, or we should find it.
Yeah. So that means if bases are same in multiplication, we can add powers. That is the point you're supposed to remember. That is one law of exponent. That's nothing but a power m multiplied with a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. In multiplication, bases are same, we are adding powers. The same way I want to take the division. Let me explain first. A power m divided by a power n. It is nothing but we are subtracting the powers. A power m minus n. How we supposed to, same examples we will take here. 2 power 5 divided by 2 cube. I'm taking the same examples. So that what we supposed to do here, 2 power 5 means I should write 2 5 times. Yes or no, Kunal? I should write 2 5 times. Denominator 2 how many times? 2 3 times.
On 3
So that
times.
here 3 times both are common, so that I can cancel. What is left over? 2 into 2. That means 2 square. 2 into 2 can be written as 2 to the power
2.
or 2 square. That means what we are doing, the exponents we are subtracting. In this case, bases are same, we are subtracting the exponents, so that you are getting 2 square. The same way for general formula for these, if bases are same, you are dividing those exponents are
Ma'am,
different, means we can subtract the exponents.
ma'am,
Yes.
do we subtract like in all the cases?
Harini, can you please repeat once again, Harini?
Ma'am, like, do you subtract the exponents in all the cases?
If bases are same, only bases are same, we can subtract the exponents.
Okay, ma'am.
If bases are same. If bases are same, we are subtracting exponents. If bases are same, we are multiplying, means we are adding the exponent. That is the major difference between these two important laws. And
I have.
Srishti, please, you are raising your hand. What's your doubt, Srishti?
Ma'am, can you say it again that how can a power m can be 2 power 5?
This is a power m general formula. General. For this, I am taking 2 power 5. Suppose a in place of a I am taking 2. In place of m I am taking 5. The same way in place of a means same 2. N means I am taking 3. So that if you are doing this means 2 power 5 means 2 you are multiplying 5 times. The denominator 2 you are multiplying 3 times. So 5 times 3 times means 3 common times you are going to cancel those. Your leftover part is 2 multiplied with 2. So that we can write 2 multiplied with 2 as 2 square. 2 multiplied with 2 as 2 square. Yes. That means you are
Yes, ma'am.
subtracting the exponents. Any doubts, Srishti?
No, ma'am.
Right.
No,
Raghav. Just
Ma'am,
a
can
minute.
I?
Just
ma'am,
a
for me,
minute.
no.
Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to explain these two laws of exponential.
Okay, right, right.
Ma'am, can I?
Raghav?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, Ritvik.
Ritvik, where is your doubt?
Ma'am, we can take any exponents.
Any exponents are different in these cases. Only based
But 2 power 5
Ma'am,
is
if
just
the
an
base is
example.
Suppose based on these sums, I will give for few bits for you.
Yes,
Suppose
ma'am, once you can scroll up, I have one small doubt in that. Ma'am, in 2 by 5, 2 power 5 and 2 power 3,
yes.
why you kept it 2 power 3 when you're in the expanded form 2 into 2 into 3 you kept, ma'am?
Oh,
We can
sir,
keep
that is
like
2 only, ma. It's 2 only. It's not a mistake. It is happening, but it is 2 only. Yeah, that's all. No, that's correct only. What your guess is good. Yeah. If you want to apply these formulas, where you supposed to apply these two formulas? Suppose I want yeah,
Just now I joined because some science test was there.
science test. You can write your
right
convenience.
after class.
Yeah,
Your
sir told that we can write it after class and send it.
Ma'am, you can explain again, ma'am.
yes, yes. See, more examples. So I am giving so that you can understand more better. Suppose, see, children. Let me take a few examples here. I want to multiply 5 power 2 and 6 power, sorry, 5 power 2, just a minute, children. Yeah, 5 power 11. So if I want to multiply, please, how you supposed to write here? By seeing it, since bases are same, what is your observation? First observation, bases are bases are same.
Same.
Second observation is it is what operation?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. What I said, children, which law of exponent we are using? Since the law a power m multiplied with a power n is
N is A M plus N.
a power m plus n. In multiplication, so that how we supposed to write here? 5 to the power 2 plus 2 plus 11. It's nothing but 2 power, sorry, 5 power
5 power 13.
13. 5 power
13.
5 raised to power 13. We can write our 5 exponent is 13. Anyway, you can call it those. Suppose this is one example. In second example, you see here, I'm writing here 3 to the power minus 8. I want to multiply 3 power 2. So just a minute,
Ma'am,
children.
actually two
Wait. Don't open your mouths. Please stop it. I want to call the student names here. Yes. Ahna, please. Ahna, which
Ma'am,
property we can use here?
ma'am, multiplication as we see the bases are same and the powers are different. So
Okay,
we can add the powers.
very good. So how
So
which law of exponent you are using since from?
A am multiplied by
Yes.
an is
That
a.
you're supposed to call it as a raised to power m multiplied with a raised to power n, or a power m multiplied with a power n is equal to a power
Power m plus n.
n. Since from this law, how you supposed to write next step?
So 3 power 8 plus minus 8 plus 2,
Okay.
which is 3 power minus 10.
See, Ahna.
Ma'am, it's 3 power minus 6.
Wait,
16.
Ahna. Since minus and plus 2, minus 8 and plus 2 is nothing but.
Minus into plus is equal to plus.
Fine.
Minus minus.
Minus. So the
Yes.
answer is minus 6, teacher.
The answer is minus.
Minus
Very-
6.
I mean, minus is bigger, ma'am.
Yes.
That's why we should do minus 6.
Yeah, it is once again integers. If
Ma'am,
different
because
signs
minus
are
into
there,
plus is
if
equal to
different
minus
signs are there, you
8
need to
minus
find,
6.
we can subtract the exponent. We can subtract so that minus 8 plus 2 becomes subtracting it is 6, so greater number having negative sign. Next question for Shiva Pranav.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I haven't. Ma'am,
Yes,
we should use only in the alphabet form a power m and multiplied with a power n.
you can take a power q and a power p also,
Ma'am, can you give some?
or b power
Take variable,
any variable you can take, but
but
basic
the base should be same.
basis should be same. Suppose x power 10 you take and x power minus 11 you take. Okay, anything. Now my question to Shiva Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Shiva Pranav should unmute and speak. Listen. This is the next question for you. Sorry, it's not minus. It's okay. It's minus 10 whole to the power 4 multiplied with minus 10 whole to the power minus 7. Come on, Shiva Pranav. What is base here?
A power m.
What is base here?
Ma'am, base is equals to 10.
Which 10?
Ma'am, minus 10.
Yeah, base is minus 10 here. So since which bases are same both the cases, you see both the cases bases are same.
Yes, ma'am. A power n. A power m.
Multiplied with a power n. It's nothing but
Ma'am is equals to ma'am minus 20.
a power. ఇక్కడ వినట్లేదు నాన్న మీరు ఎన్నిసార్లు
A power m plus n.
m plus n. Since from this law, how you supposed to write your question?
Ma'am,
Minus 10.
ma'am,
Minus 10 plus minus 7. Power minus 11. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, 4 minus 7.
4 minus 7, what you are getting? Please tell that. Since 4 minus 7 value I want.
3.
Which
Minus 3.
Yeah, science are your parents. If you are saying wrong means you are neglecting your parents. Right. This is the way we are going to see the questions. Children, you supposed to give wrong answers means I'll give one slap, children. In integers, you are coming to 7th grade, still addition and subtraction you are doing mistake means it's a very, very, very sorrow thing for me. If you have any doubt, let me know so that I can help you. But if you don't give mistakes, once you are giving sign wrong means I'll keep a complete wrong only. You are not going to understand the concept. So like that I can. Next question for Sai Kartikeya.
Yes, ma'am.
Kartikeya, are you there in the room?
Yes, ma'am.
My question is 1 by 2 whole to the power 3 and 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 3. What is base here? First of all, you tell me what is base here.
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
Very good. Bases are same?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the law we are using here? A power
a power m
Yes,
and a power n.
is equal to?
Ma'am, we should do 3 minus
Listen,
3
first
minus
tell the formula. A power?
a power a raised m
Yes.
and a raised n.
Yes. So now come on, next give the question. What is the base here?
3 plus minus 3.
Very good. 3 plus minus 3. What is 3 plus minus 3?
Ma'am, 0.
Very good. Very good. It's 0. Any number to the power 0 is 1, children. That law I didn't give for you it. But any number raised to the power 0, a power 0 or any number to the power 0 is always 1. Since from this law we can write 1 by 2 whole power.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Where
ma'am.
you have doubt, G?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what
means
is
I
the-
didn't understand his concept properly.
Ma'am, I have another doubt. What if the bases are not same?
Where, ma? Bases are
Ma'am,
not,
Ma'am, in this example,
yeah,
when
bases are not same means you're not going to use this law of exponent. You're not going to, you are trying for other law of exponent. Suppose
Okay.
only the whatever the two cases I'm teaching today, that only I'm giving the examples. If bases are not same also, we will go with such a different one. There are many laws of exponents we have, but I'm using only two here, so that if I'm giving at a time all together means you may get confused, children. So that I'm giving step by step.
Ma'am, I have doubt on this concept, ma'am.
Yeah, Jait, I will question you only, Jait, now. Just a minute.
Ma'am, not understanding like what is like m and n, m plus n that.
No, don't worry. I'm here to help you. Don't worry. Suppose your question you're getting like that. Just a minute, children. Yes, Jait, with number of question number 4. Suppose Jait here the question is 2 raised power 5.
Ma'am, 5 I think so.
Yeah, 2 raised power 5 and 2 raised power 3. So
Yes, ma'am.
here, yeah, what are the bases in this multiplication? You see the base part, bases are same.
Yes, ma'am, the bases are same.
Since the bases are same, so that which law of exponent we can use? A power m multiplied with a power n. This is multiplication. Dot, we can keep dot also. That's why I gave in examination also.
Ma'am, answer is 2 power 15.
Yes, a power m plus n. Right, Jait? We are going to add the powers. In multiplication, we are going to add. So that since from this law, how you supposed to write your sum?
Ma'am, it's nothing but 2 power 8.
Ma'am, 2 power 5 plus 3.
2 power 5 plus 3.
5 plus 3, nothing but 2 plus 8. 2 power 8.
Yes, 2 power 8.
2 raised to power 8.
Yes, 2 raised to power 8. If suppose they're asking expand and evaluate the value, means you can expand and evaluate also. But here only we are using and simplifying. The same way, the question for Raghav.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Raghav, just a minute. Question for Raghav. Raghav, suppose,
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav, here, how we supposed to simplify?
Ma'am, it will be 3 power 3 plus 2.
It's nothing but total together.
3 power 5.
Which law you are using? Which law?
Multiplication.
Ma'am, the law of multiplication. The a power m into a power n is equal to a power n plus n.
Since only the variables are different, that's all. It's like it is a formula only. Suppose the same way the question is given like that. 4 cube. Ishan, are you there, Ishan? Ishan Amar, are you there in the?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please, can you simplify and give the answer here?
Yes, ma'am. So then we'll have to put 4 as the number
Yes.
there.
Yeah.
And the exponent will be 3 plus 2.
Okay, it's nothing but 4 raised.
So it'll be 4 by 5.
Yes.
4 exponent 5. Yeah.
Yes, or
4 to the power of 5.
Yes, 4 raised to 5. Anything you can. The same way, can you please, suppose I'm giving 3 numbers. 3 bases are same. 3 bases are same. Can we take a same application part here?
Yes,
Same-
ma'am. You can use the same one because technically you're just multiplying the same number. Doesn't matter how many the factors there are in the multiplication.
Yeah. So that how
Because-
you're supposed to write here, base part are very same. Only number of
Base is the same.
Yes.
If the base is same, it does not matter how many exponents there are.
Yes.
So 3 plus 2 plus 7 over here, and the answer will be 12.
Yes, ma'am. A power 12.
Right. A power 12. This is the
Ma'am,
way.
can I say my doubt? Ma'am,
I
can I say
have
my
a doubt.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Right.
Ma'am, in multiplication, we are using a raised m and a raised n, ma'am.
Yes, that is only a power m or a raised n or a raised m. Both are same only, right?
Ma'am, once you give me
Ma'am, we
chance,
can
ma'am.
use any alphabet.
I have a doubt.
You can use any variables. You can take any variable you can consider.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, a raised q, a.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you give me one time chance,
Right,
ma'am?
Kunal, please.
Kunal, just a minute. Just a minute, ma. If you
Ma'am, this can be negative also. Excuse me, ma'am.
Kunal, please answer my question, Kunal.
Yes, ma'am.
Just please.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt. Ma'am,
If you shout means I won't teach anything. Please mute yourself, all of you. I'll give chance to everyone. Ritvik, just a minute, Ritvik. Just a minute, I'll give you. Just a minute. Kunal, please respond. Unmute yourself and respond.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please answer this question.
Ma'am, the base is same, so we need to do, ma'am. Ma'am, 3, 7, 12. 3, 7, 12, ma'am. So,
What we should do? What we should do?
ma'am, 3 plus 7
Yes.
plus 12.
Okay, what is the value of 3 plus 7 plus 12?
Then answer is 22, ma'am.
5 raised
power
to
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. 5 raised to 22.
22.
Ma'am, because 3 plus 7 is 10, ma'am, and 10 plus 12 is 22.
Ma'am, here like you can use the rule like 7 plus 3, 10 plus 12 is easy.
Exactly. Right, Nana. This
ma'am, I have a doubt.
is
Even I. Ma'am,
Ritvik.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from anywhere, ma'am, when we have the same powers, what we should do, ma'am?
What I'm saying, which laws I'm explaining, the same thing Raghav also asked you. Suppose different cases, we are taking only the first law of exponent, that is multiplication law of exponent I'm taking, I'm helping you. Don't run, step by step we will go.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, Shiva Pranav.
Yeah, Pranav.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can explain what you explained for Sai Kartikeya, ma'am? You gave for him question, no, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, that is 1 by 2, 3 minus 3, 1 by 2.
Okay, what's your doubt there?
Ma'am, can I explain that question for Shiva Pranav?
Not now. You just discuss later, children. Don't interrupt the class. Please wait a minute. Shall I mute or else I'll mute all? Only one step by step I'll unmute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Please.
Yes, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, can the variable can be negative?
Exactly, it should be both should be negative also. We can take basis. Base means it should be negative or it should be positive.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything. Only we are taking on only base part. If it is negative means you are taking as negative. Both are negative. If it is both are positive means we are taking both are positive. The same one example I gave right there. One example also I gave for you, ma.
Ma'am, your multiplication is there, so we can't multiply the
Where?
power.
Where, ma?
Ma'am, all ma'am. The like a dot means multiplication. So we need to multiply 3 into 2. Or we can.
Where, ma? Here, a dot.
Ma'am, seventh one.
Seventh one. So dot means also it's a multiplication only, ma. So in this case, bases are same. In this case, bases are
So,
same.
ma'am, we can multiply powers.
Why you are multiplying powers here? Which law you are using here?
Ma'am told that if it's multiplication, you have to add, and division you have to subtract.
Yeah, only.
No, ma'am, I'm saying myself.
Power raised to power only, that case only multiplication is coming. I didn't teach yet the rule. Only two rules I taught for you. One is multiplication rule, another one is division. In multiplication, bases are same, you are adding exponents. In division, you are subtracting your exponents. Only the 2 points you're supposed to remember, children. Remaining the same thing. Let me give the question so that you can answer. Harini, this is for Harini. Harini, please respond and give the answer. Minus 4 to the power 100 multiplied with minus 4 to the raised to 20.
Ma'am, then it will be a positive 4.
Excellent.
Ma'am,
Excellent.
Positive 4.
Excellent.
Ma'am, minus?
Ma'am, 100 plus 20, which is 120.
Excellent. Why you are taking positive? Can you help my students how you are getting positive for here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, while multiplication, you have to compare the signs, ma'am. Here, minus of minus is plus.
Or else based on exponent eve or odd, you can explain for them. Yes.
Ma'am, we can write directly.
Please wait a minute, Harini. Srusti, why she is taking negative positive here? Can you help the student?
Can I explain, ma'am?
Because minus into minus is positive, ma'am.
But how many times? 100 times? How I supposed to see and multiply? Ishan,
because it's an even
number.
number.
The number of ma'am, there are even number of negative numbers. Then it will always be positive.
Ma'am, 5 means 100 is
Ma'am, because the exponents are even, so our sign will be positive.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. Very good.
100 is even. That's why we should take positive.
Yes. Yes. So in this case, we can first take it as a minus 4 whole to the power 120. Later on, this minus will go. Why? Because you have to see the exponent. If you exponent is even number of times, if you multiply negative, you are getting positive result. So that it's 4 raised to 120. Also, we can write. In the examination, for the same type of bits, they will test in your competitive examination. Be careful about this part, children. It's a very most important thing. The children commonly made mistake here over. Please.
Ma'am, but the product will come in negative, ma'am. Then why are we changing?
No, positive only, Srusti. Product is coming also positive only.
Ma'am,
can I get a chance?
Yes. I will call again. I will call. There are one more law of exponent is there. Remaining students, how I am not going to call few students. I will call all the students. Let me take dividing powers with the same base. How it happens? Dividing powers with the same base. That is the second law. Dividing powers with same base. How it happens? We need to subtract, children. The same base. Suppose let me take a few examples here so that we can explain a power m dividing powers with the same base. I should divide with a power n, which is nothing but we can subtract bases exponent. So a power m minus n. How we are getting this part? We will take with one example. See here, 3 raised 7 divide with 3 raised 4. Just before also I gave an example for you. This is nothing but 3 raised 7 by 3 raised 4. 3 raised 7 means 3 you are going to write 7 times. 3 you are going to take 7 times. 1, 2, 3, it's 7 times. A denominator 3 raised 4 means you are multiplying 3 4 times. You are multiplying 3 4 times. Now you check commonly you can cancel the things what you are having. 3 times denominator, 4 times. So leftover is only you have.
Ma'am, it will be 27.
Yeah, of course. That means we can write it as 3 cube. In exponential form, we are writing as 3 cube. That means what happening here? if your base part is same, when you are dividing with the same basis, you are subtracting your exponents. You see, you are subtracting 7 minus 4 only, you are getting 3. 7 minus 4 only, you are getting 3. That means you are subtracting your exponents. Understand, children? Dividing powers with the same base, you need to subtract your exponents. Shall we go with some examples so that you will understand more easily?
Yes, ma'am. We will.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am, we will.
the question for Pranav Raghavendra. Pranav Raghavendra, please respond.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. This is my question here. 2 power 4 divide with 2 power minus 2.
Yes, teacher.
Come on. First, step by step, you have to say what you supposed to do
Yes,
excluding
teacher.
power, so that
Yes,
I can,
teacher.
yeah, come on. I will write on the screen.
Sir, the formula is a to the power of m by divided by a to the power of n, which is equals to a to the power of m minus n.
Very good.
So,
okay.
2 to the power of 4 minus of minus 2.
Very good. Minus of minus 2. Excellent. Excellent. Right now.
Ma'am, the answer is 2 to the power of 6.
Yeah, 4. This minus of
minus into minus is plus, ma'am.
Yes.
And
minus
so
of minus means we can take it as a positive. So it's
yes.
4 plus 2. It's
2,
4
which,
plus 2
which gives 6. So 2 to the power of 6.
Wonderful. Good, Nana. Good. This is the way we can, some denominator is negative means if it is moving for numerator part means there is minus of minus, it becomes positive. That is the concept you're supposed to remember. Next for Ritvik. Ritvik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
This is for you, Ritvik. 10 power minus 8 divide with 10 power 4.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so we for this formula is a power m by
Yes, a power m divide with a power n.
A power n. So we have to multiply a power m minus a power m minus n.
Yeah, you need to subtract, not multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. Subtract. We should subtract. Okay. So minus 8.
Come on, just a minute. Come on. So 10
yes,
raised, 10 raised minus 8.
10 raised minus 8 minus 4.
So that what it becomes minus 8 and minus.
My minus into minus will be plus, ma'am.
Okay. What is the value?
Ma'am, 12.
Okay. Raghav, is it 12, Raghav?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, it's not 12.
Ma'am, it will be in minus.
Ma'am, minus 12.
Minus 12.
Yes, ma'am, minus 12.
It's minus 12.
So the 10 power minus 12.
Yes, you're supposed to. That's why I'm telling signs are your parents. You're supposed to neglect do you neglect your parents' children when you're going up?
No, teacher, we doesn't neglect our parents.
Yeah. No, if you do science wrong means I won't accept children. Yes, this is the way. Shall we go with other question for Mahavir?
Teacher.
Mahavir, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahavir, please respond.
Ma'am, after Mahavir, can I do, ma'am?
Ma'am, Kunal already got a chance.
Yes, I know that. I will give everyone so that if rest of the things, we will go with repetition only. Next. Yes, Mahavir, are you there, Mahavir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It is 9 to the power 11 divide with 9 to the power minus 7.
Ma'am, should I tell the formula also?
Yes, you can mention because number of times we will repeat means so that children can remember.
Ma'am, the formula is a power m divided by a power 9.
Yes.
Is equals to a power m minus 9.
Okay, m minus n. Same way.
M minus 9. Ma'am, so it will be 9 power 11.
Okay.
Ma'am, divided by 9 powered by minus 7.
Okay.
Ma'am is equals to, ma'am, 9 powered by 11 minus 7. Ma'am, minus 7.
Minus of minus 7. Yeah. So that what you will get here?
Ma'am, we will get it as, ma'am will get it as 9 powered by 18.
Yes, 11 minus of minus always positive, it becomes 7. So 9 raised power 18 is the answer. This is the way we can go with simple bits. There is a question for who didn't get chance, please raise your hand. So don't shout. Don't shout. Who didn't get chance, please raise your hand so that I can. Aditi Srusti. Yes, I should ask this. Cyrus.
Ma'am, once could you go up? I want to see the third one.
Huh?
Ma'am, could you go up once? I want to see the third one.
Oh yes, just a minute. Just a minute. I will. Like in Mahira, I should ask Jagruti, Satvika. These are the students. Ahana, I should. Ahana, I think I asked the question for her. Yeah, these are the students. Please, children, respond when I'm calling, so that I can. Now, Mahira. Mahira, are you there? No, please respond. Unmute your mic and speak with me, Mahira. Yes, Mahira, are you there? Mahira, are you there in the classroom? Mahira, are you there in the classroom or not? Yes or no, ma? Okay. Satvika, please respond, Nana. Yeah, Mahira having some
Yes,
net
ma'am.
issue.
Ma'am, Mahira is not there in the class.
Yeah, she have some network issues, so then she joined once again. Satvika, please respond, Nana. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah, here 7 to the power 10 divide with 7 to the power minus 13. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on,
So the formula is a to the power of m by a to the power of n
Very
is
good.
a to the power of m minus a to the power of n.
No, 2 times powers. Only you a raised m minus n. That's all.
E to the power of m minus n.
Yes, Satvika.
So 7 to the power of 10.
Yes.
Minus of minus 13.
Minus of minus 13. Okay. So 10 minus of minus become?
23.
Very
plus
good. Very good. 10 plus 13, so that it becomes 7 raised 23. Very good. Good. Now, Mahira, maybe Mahira having some net issue, so that she joined once again. Mahira, are you able to speak with me now? Mahira. Yes or no, please? Maybe a network issue she is having. Okay, next question for, yeah, minus 20. Children, listen, see the question carefully. Minus 20 whole to the power 15 divide with minus 20 whole to the power 15. Now this is question for Srusti. Srusti?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Srusti.
Ma'am, the answer is 1, ma'am. 0. Ma'am, like minus 20.
Yes, minus 20.
15 minus 15.
15 minus 15.
Ma'am, which is equals to 0. So,
minus
Ma'am, if the 0,
20
then it
power
means
1.
the number is on. The answer is
Which
number.
law of exponent?
Ma'am, minus 20 power 1.
Yes,
Ma'am, a power 0 equals to 1.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Any number praised.
Excuse me, ma'am. Minus and minus we can cancel, right?
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. That is nothing but a power 0. Right, Nana.
Ma'am, I'm talking about the 20s. The minus and minus we can cancel, right? So that will be positive 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
yes, ma'am. That's why we got the answer as 1, right?
Sorry, just Raghav. But whether it is a negative number raised power 0 is always 1, and a positive number, any number, either rational number or any decimal number raised to the power 0 is nothing but 1 only.
Ma'am, can it be positive or negative 1 or only 1?
How you will get a negative 1, Harini? Please share with me. Any number, I said any number raised power 0 is 1. So in this any place I am taking
Ma'am, because 15 is odd, no, ma'am.
which one is odd?
Ma'am, power 15 is
15,
odd.
but then you're cutting 15, right? There are 15
That's
let
me what she is teaching. Yeah, exactly. 15 is odd, so that you are getting 20 as 15. Denominator also you are getting 20 to the raised power 15. So that what happens here? Both are cancelled. This is also cancelled. Only we are getting one value.
Okay.
Yes. This is the way we are getting. Next, please, Cyrus, respond, Nana. Cyrus.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. This is question for you. B to the power. I think this is 4 or 5. I don't know. B raised to power -8 divide with.
Ma'am, it is a 6 to 1.
Okay, right. 6. B raised to -4. Cyrus, please.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, same way. Since from which law of division, law of exponents?
So B is the
bases are same. You need to subtract the exponents. So m minus n. Come on here. What are the exponents? What is base? Base
B.
is what?
B.
So that what you supposed to subtract now?
Now you subtract it. -8 and
What are
minus
exponents
4.
here? What are exponents here?
It is 12. It is -12.
Okay. So what is the value of these two? -8 minus of -4 is nothing but?
B to the power of -12.
Is it wrong, Cyrus? How you will say, Cyrus? Minus of minus become how much more? Minus of minus here you have minus of minus.
Ma'am, it will become plus.
So it is one is negative, one is positive.
B to the power of 12.
No,
it's not 12.
You didn't get my
Cyrus,
point.
if there are different signs, then you have to always find the difference.
Yes,
-4.
I think the answer is -4.
So the answer is
-4. Ma'am, B raised to the power -4.
Very good.
Ma'am, we should only see the left.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am. Because
we have integer.
Minus and minus goes to plus, and minus and plus will be. So we'll take the we'll always subtract it, and 8 is bigger than 4, so -4 will come as the answer.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. I want my question to Jait now. Jait, please. This is for you. A to the power -12 divided by A power -18.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
like the formula will be AM divided by AN.
Very good. A raised m divided with A raised n
is equal to A power M minus N.
Yes, sir. Since you are repeating the formulas, you will get it for your mouth.
Yes, ma'am. So we'll take as the A is the base, and -12 minus 18.
Very good. Minus of -18. So that what you are getting?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so we'll get the ma'am. There is minus beside 18, so we'll get minus plus.
Okay. This becomes plus 18. So
yes, ma'am.
Next step.
-12 plus 18. The answer is nothing but A6, ma'am.
A power?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. A power 6.
Good, good, ma'am.
A raised to the power 6.
Right. This is
Anyway, television sound is coming, ma'am.
This is the way we can do the sums, children. Any type of question, let them give. But the procedure is same for you. You can now you read number of sums for you. I hope it is clear. Multiplication and division of powers, dividing powers with the same
Yes,
base.
teacher.
Multiplying powers with the same base. If whatever the questions they test in the examination, you can write your happily. Next, shall we go with the talking power of power?
Yes, teacher.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1 minute, someone Raghav, please.
Yes, ma'am. Will you give us a worksheet of this ratio?
Today definitely you're supposed to do, children, because each and every law you're supposed to apply. You have to practice n number of sums so that you can get different varieties of questions. You can today I'll post worksheet for you.
Ma'am, can you show previous questions or you deleted them?
What repeat?
Can you show previous questions?
Oh, okay, just a minute. This is the question. So let me write on the. I will give worksheet. Don't write now. We will do one more law of exponent so that we can go with the 3 varieties of questions in your question bank.
Okay, I'm sure.
Taking power of power. This is third law of exponent. Taking power of power. Power means what, children? Who have power, children? Yes, who having power? Who will think more? They're having more power. Taking power of power. Any time you are getting power of power, always multiplication, children. Simply consider one example. Let me give for you. 2 raised 3. Let me take a 2 raised 3 whole power. Here already power is there. Again whole power 2. In this case, what you supposed to do? You should multiply always your exponential parts. You have to multiply always your exponential. It's
So the answer is 2 to the power of 6.
Yeah, 3 2s are 6. So it is, since which law of exponent you can write means a power m whole power n. Power of power. You see, that's why it is power of power. We can multiply the power, so we can write it as a raised mn. A raised mn. Mn means m multiplied with n children. Shall we go with some bits on this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there is only one base.
Now Aditi, yes, the base exponents, two exponents you are having. Power raised power. Aditi, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
3 square whole to the power 4. 3 square whole to the power 4.
Ma'am, we should multiply 2 and 4.
What you should multiply?
The powers, ma'am.
What are powers here?
2 and 4.
Very
and the
good.
base is 3.
Yes, it's nothing but 3 raised 8.
3 raised to the power of 8.
Since from the same law of exponent, a power m raised n is equal to a power mn. You always use that law of exponents in beside your some children, so that your teacher will understand he is perfectly using the laws of exponent. He will give full marks. Next one. 7.
I have a doubt.
Yes, 7. Just a minute, Mama. Let me complete the concept. 7 square whole to the power 10. Now the question, Mahira, are you able to speak with me now? Mahira, are you able to speak with me now? Yes, Mahira. Sahit Varma, Sahit.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Nana. What is this value?
Ma'am, the value of it is
exponential form. I want exponential.
Ma'am, it's 16, ma'am.
No, exponential form. How you are getting 16? Can you please tell?
Oh, ma'am. 7, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. I thought it was 4, ma'am.
No, it's 2.
No, ma'am, like the...
Oh,
okay,
yeah,
ma'am.
this is 7.
Ma'am, can I tell Raghav?
Wait, Raghav. There are many bits or negative exponents I'll give for the student. Sahit, please.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, here what I said, powers raised power. Power raised power means? Power raised power means what you are doing for powers?
Ma'am, we have 2 powers.
Ma'am, we have to multiply.
Yes. So here, Sahit, what are the exponents here, please? What are powers here?
Ma'am, 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7.
7, not 7. No. What are exponents here? Exponents, no, exponents. What are exponents?
2 and 10. Ma'am, it's 2 and 10.
It's 2 and 10. So, shall I multiply 2 and 10?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the value? 2 multiplied with 10?
20, ma'am.
7 raised to 20. Now, my question to Jagruti. Jagruti, are you there, Jagruti? Jagruti, please respond, Jagruti. Jagruti, so that I can ask few questions. Please respond. Jagruti.
Ma'am, can I say?
Just a minute. Let them speak because they may have some internet issue also. Jagruti, please respond. Jagruti.
Ma'am, why 1 power is in the bracket and 1 power is out?
Yes,
ma'am. I also got the same doubt.
Yes, what Sai Kartikeya?
Ma'am, Ritvik.
Ritvik, what is your doubt, Ritvik?
1 power is in the bracket and 1 power is
out. That is because if you keep it outside, then it will look like 7 power 210. But then if you keep it inside the bracket, then you'll come to know that you have to multiply.
Yeah, let me explain. Harini, I won't keep a bracket here. I'm writing like that. How you will understand?
Ma'am, it's like 23, not like power.
So that's why if I'm keeping power whole to the power raised, now how you will understand?
Oh, I understood now.
What is the value? Sai Kartikeya, what is the value here?
Yeah. Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, so A. Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, so A power 6. 6. Ma'am, can I answer? Power 6. Ma'am, A power 6. So the formula will be therefore A.
Yes, it's 6. Let me Raghav.
Ma'am, you said
Raghav, please answer the question, Raghav.
Yes, ma'am.
Power minus 3 raised to minus 6.
Yes, ma'am. The answer will be A power minus 3 into minus 6, which will be A power 18.
Yes, very good. Why it is positive? Can you please help others?
Ma'am, because when we multiply minus into minus, it will be positive. So it will be positive 18.
Very good, very good. Suppose the question for Ritvik. Ritvik, please respond, Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
A cube whole to the power minus 8.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so sorry, 3 into minus 8.
3 into minus 8. What is the value of 3 into minus 8?
Ma'am, it is minus 24, ma'am.
A raised minus 24.
24. Ma'am, because minus into minus, minus into plus is equals to minus.
Yes. So, Ishan, please respond. Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
yes,
A by B whole power 2. Yes. Just a minute. No, I'll give it a number so that you can understand better. If I'm giving directly, you may get little confused. Suppose I'm taking minus 2 by 5. Raised
2 by 5.
Raised 3. And step one more raised power minus 9.
Minus 9. Okay.
Come on.
So first, ma'am, we would have to do it would be negative 2 to the third power.
Negative
2 over 5.
Okay.
2 to the negative
Yeah,
12th
power
power.
raised to power. Power raised to power.
Negative 27. Negative 27 power.
Yes, yes. Very good. And here, whether the result is also you're getting negative or positive, can you please share with us?
Ma'am, here the result
Ma'am,
is
the result will
going
be
to be
negative.
positive. Okay.
Negative because
No, sorry, the
27
number is
odd.
odd.
Yeah.
Which number is odd here? Please, this is a very tricky question for
The
you.
exponent. The exponent, ma'am.
Exponent is negative number. Raghav, can you please help me here? Raghav.
Yes, ma'am.
What is happening in this case, please? I want whether the result is negative result or positive result.
The negative result or positive result? Ma'am, the result will be negative.
Ma'am, I think it's positive for some reason.
I think it's positive.
Ma'am, because minus 2 by 5 is negative and even 27 is negative, so a small confusion.
Ma'am, even I think it's negative.
Who is that? Ahna, right?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Who is
Ma'am, Aditi told.
Aditi.
Even I think it's odd.
Aditi and Sriti. Aditi, here the result. Suppose if I'm expanding that number minus 2 by 5 whole to the power minus 27, if I expand and I can evaluate means whether I'm getting positive result or negative result. That is my question.
Ma'am, I think negative because the exponent is odd, so I think it will be negative.
Ma'am, but then here the number given is also negative, like minus 2 by 5. So you're gonna do, I think, like minus of minus 2 by 5 into minus of minus 2 by 5, and then like that I think you'll do.
How you will multiply, right? Minus 27, how you will multiply?
Yes, ma'am. You will multiply like minus of minus 2 by 5 into minus of minus 2 by 5.
No,
like that.
my doubt is, you just listen first. Listen.
Ma'am, can you?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you explain this once?
Yeah. See, children, if suppose minus 2 by 5 whole square means you can write it's a minus 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5. It's nothing but result is positive 4 by 25. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
can I say why?
Suppose, who is that?
Shiva Pranav.
Pranav, can see where you are going to say why?
Ma'am, minus 9 is there, ma'am. That's why we should get minus only, ma'am.
No. My question is, Harini, this is minus 27 I'm giving here. How you supposed to write here? This is
ma'am, I'm thinking like minus outside, in the bracket minus 2 by 5.
Negative exponents. If negative exponents are there, how we supposed to solve the question? This is also one more law of exponent. Why I'm continuously stressing this point means, if you have anywhere negative exponent, you can make it as reciprocal of your number and take it as a positive exponent. This is the same case we can write here 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 or 5 by 2 whole to the power 27. What I'm doing?
How?
That's why.
Why we should do reciprocal?
Yes. Since it is
because ma'am is doing reciprocal.
A power minus 1 is equal to 1 by A.
Exactly. A power minus 1 is equal to 1 by A. Or suppose if I'm taking 2. 2 power 1 means 2. It's suppose if I'm taking 1 by 2 means, shall I write it as 2 power minus 1? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
How you will get 2 power minus 1?
But why are we taking reciprocal?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. But how are you changing the positive, ma'am? Means negative to positive.
Yeah, because you already did the reciprocal.
If negative exponent you are getting anywhere, you can make it as a reciprocal of the number so that you can make it as a positive exponent. Suppose 2 power, let me write a few examples so that you will understand. 2 power minus 3. 2 power minus 3, I can write it as 2, 1 by 2 cube. Any doubt here?
Ma'am, what?
No, ma'am.
Since a power minus n negative exponent, always we can write it as a power n. The same way.
Ma'am, once again you can tell this minus 3 by 2.
Yes. How you are getting? You didn't ask the question. Suppose I'm waiting for your children. Ma'am, how you are getting a positive denominator and you are getting as positive? How you will? You didn't ask the question, so that I didn't explain to you. Shall I explain here?
Ma'am, we have minus 2 as power and 5 as base. How you can take 1 by 5 by minus 2?
Now we are coming to my point. See, suppose here, if I want negative exponent, how we are getting? So this part I am multiplying with positive 5 square and 5 square. 5 square and 5 square. Since these two, we know that since bases are same in multiplication, what we are going to do? Bases are same means we are adding the exponential part. We are adding the exponential part. So denominator. Yes.
Ma'am, I think you should multiply with minus 2 into minus 2.
Where?
Ma'am, times over here, ma'am. Here, you wrote no, ma'am. Base 5 minus 2 into 5
Raghav,
by
you got
5
that point. Raghav, did you get that point?
Yes.
Mahira, someone is calling, ma. Mahira. Some student is calling. I get a low voice with a low voice. So then, see, suppose 2 power minus 3, why I am taking as 1 by 2 cube means, let me explain this part. 2 power minus 3 on numerator. To remove that minus negative exponent on the numerator part, I am adding, I am multiplying both the sides with the 2 cube. Since if I cancelled these two parts also, only leftover part is 2 power minus 3 only. So this no changes. If I can make I can do the changes for the both the sides. Both the sides I am multiplying 2 power 3 and 2 power 3 for numerator and denominator. No, both. So since it is nothing but since this part is nothing but bases are same, we can sum up the exponent. Minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. And denominator you are getting as 2 cube. This is nothing but 2 power 0 by 2 cube. 2 power 0 is 1 by 2 cube. This is the way we are getting any number, negative exponent can be written as 1 by a power positive exponent. Reciprocal, you just make the number reciprocal and write it as a positive.
Ma'am, the one which you just told, like 2 power minus 3 into 2 power 3, in that like you're finding the absolute value and putting the number?
Exactly. To find out, we don't know 2 power minus 3, how I supposed to find. So I want to make my negativity, I am removing that negativity. I'm to remove that negativity, what changes I'm doing for numerator and denominator? I just multiplied with the 2 cube on both the sides. If I multiply 2 cube on both the sides, no changes. Since we are we can add up both the sides, we can multiply both the sides, we can divide both the sides with the same non-zero quantity. We have some rules, so that based on that rule, I can multiply 2 cube and 2 cube on both the numerator and denominator, so that I removed that negative quantity on the. I'm getting.
I have doubt in one question. Shall I tell it?
Yes, please.
I'm in this power only.
Please tell.
6 minus 7.
6 raised minus 7.
And 6 power 7.
Yeah. Then 6 power 7.
I know this.
Yeah, since here bases are same, what we should do?
We should do multiplication.
We can add we can add up the exponent. We can add up the exponent so that minus 7 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 becomes?
6 power 0.
Ma'am, I have sorry, ma'am. I have doubt in what you are saying before.
Ma'am,
negative and positive 0.
Yes, you removed the negative.
Ma'am, it will become 0, but we should take 1.
Yes, any number raised
ma'am,
to
minus
is 1.
Ma'am can
Ma'am, we
minus
can write 0 also.
How you will get any number raised power 0? Suppose I want to take as 5 power 12 divided by 5 power 12. So this case, it is division 12 minus 12 can become 0. So 5 power 0, 5 power 0. Or else, shall I cancel here? I am getting as value 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why any number raised power 0 is always 1.
Ma'am, I have doubt in last law, ma'am.
Which law? Last negative exponent law.
Yes, ma'am. That.
Children, if you do more number of sums on that, you will get an idea, children. It is very simple law, children. See, a power n minus exponent can be written as 1 by a power n. How you are getting means, since I am taking one example for this, 3 power minus 7. So 3 power negative 7, I am unable to find. Just before also, you are taking much time to think about it. So since this negativity, I want to remove this negativity. To make this as positive or to remove this negativity, what I should do? I can multiply both the sides with 3 power positive sign. Since this part can become, since what happens in this, since 3 power minus 7 plus 7 becomes 0, and denominator we are getting only, it's nothing but a 0. 3 power 0 by 3 power 7. 3 power 0 is nothing but 1. 1 by 3 power 7. So negative number, any number, negative exponent can be written as 1 divided by the base power, whatever.
Okay, ma'am, I understood it.
This is the way.
Ma'am, when we'll practice, we'll get more.
Today I will post worksheet, children. Please solve the sums so that we will continue in the next class very smoothly. Or else, if you are not going to practice these rules, means you never get, children. You always apply your law wherever required in your sum. You are supposed to apply so that the basic part is very important. Shall I stop sharing?